and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Wow, take a look at this. I just received a big payment of $9,563.09 deposited directly to my bank account. Yes, your eyes aren't fooling you. That's nearly $10,000 in pure profit. This money is spendable in my bank account, and I can use it to do anything I want. I can travel the world, take my family out for a nice dinner, pay off some bills. The question is, could you use an extra $9,000? If it were possible to have that deposited in your account, would that change things for you? If you answered yes, then give your full attention to every second of this super short video. So the question is, how did we make this money? Did I have to work hard for it? The answer may surprise you. You see, we've discovered a little-known platform that boasts over 129 million users. Virtually nobody else knows about it, but those who do are milking it for serious amounts of cash. In fact, it's paying us $37 every time we post there. Okay, I know that $37 payments may seem underwhelming, boring, unexciting, but I'm here to tell you that it's not the case. These tiny payments quickly snowball into large online earnings. Post 5 times, we get paid $185. Post 10 times, we get paid $370. Post 20 times, we get paid $740. And if we post 50 times, we get paid $1,850. See how fast that adds up? It's quite straightforward. The more we post to this 129 million user platform, the more we get paid. And all of this is made possible by our new online income system, Post and Earn. The name explains exactly what it does. It pays us $37 to post to this untapped platform. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. All it takes is 3 clicks. Click number 1, Purchase. Click any of the buy buttons on this page to get Post and Earn. Hurry, the price rises with every new sale made. Click number 2, Activate. Turn on the Post and Earn monetization from your computer or phone. It's as easy as flipping on a light switch. And click number 3, Profit. We're receiving $37 payments every time we post to this new platform. You can get paid directly to your bank account or PayPal account. Yes, it really is that easy. This is not rocket science. All we have to do is activate Post and Earn, and we get paid $37 every time we post to this little-known 129 million user platform. This is something that anybody could do, and that includes you. Now at this point, you might be wondering, how much will Post and Earn cost me? It's probably going to be expensive, right? Well, originally we planned on charging $497 per month for access to Post and Earn. That adds up to nearly $6,000 per year. And although that is expensive, you can't put a price tag on a system that's proven to get $37 payments every time we post. It's not even up for debate. Post and Earn quickly pays for itself. But we understand that $497 per month is a lot to ask for. And we know how hard you worked this year. We know how much you want a system like Post and Earn, so here's the deal. If you act right now, you can get access to Post and Earn for just a one-time investment. It'll cost you around the same price as a cheap t-shirt. But it gets even better. If you get a copy of Post and Earn, you'll also get access to thousands of dollars worth of free bonuses. They'll help you enhance your purchase and make more profits faster. The catch? To get this discount and the bonuses, you cannot delay. You must act right now. And if you come back later, you'll end up paying more. The price rises whenever a new member joins, so why wait and pay more? Remember, you're backed by our ironclad 365-day money-back guarantee. And to make this even more of a no-brainer, we'll send you $300 out of our pockets if you fail to make money with Post and Earn. Yep, that's how confident we are that you'll see results with Post and Earn. There is no way for you to lose here. Oh, and I nearly forgot. If you're one of the first 100 people to buy Post and Earn, you'll unlock access to a special bonus. We call it Post and Earn Unfair Advantage. We found that with this add-on, our users end up doubling their profits. Because of that, we could easily charge $1,997 for access to this bonus. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Get access to Post and Earn along with all of the special bonuses. You must act now. Click the button below to take action. We'll see you inside.
Hey guys, what if you can earn money just by posting video online? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by posting video online. And to show you how true this is. Now, this is a platform where you'll be posting this video to. As you can see, this is a 10 seconds videos of an adorable footage that shows a toddler first step. And so far, this video has earned $16. This is also another videos. Can you see? That's hilarious method to get someone to go to bed. And this video has also earned $30. This is also another video showing a scuba diver. Can you see that? $126 earned just by posting all these short videos. This does not involve selling or does not involve any traffic method or affiliate marketing. So what is this all about? Okay, great. Let me introduce you to this powerful software that makes this possible. And the software is called Post and Earn. Post and Earn app is a never seen before software that allows you to tap to a secret 129 million user platform that pays us $37 every time we post, as you can see in the videos I showed you recently. And the best part is that this does not involve selling and no traffic is needed. Just post and get paid. And the beauty of this is that this software also gives you the post to use, so it's 100% free and there's no budget needed. So now let me log into this software and show you how to use this app to get paid every time you post online. Okay, so here is the Post and Earn dashboard. As you can see the welcome message here, and you can click the button below to post and earn right away. So you can click here. On this dashboard, we have the video analytics, we have the task completed, we have the total number of videos posted, we have the total number of people viewing your videos as well. So now, the very first thing you need to do is to click here to get started, or you can come to the video menu and click on the select video and then follow the process. So I'm going to just click on the select video or click on the start here button. So now, once you click on the select video, it takes you to this page. Now you are provided with two options. You can actually search TikTok videos for short videos, or you search for YouTube shorts. So whichever way, let's say I want to search for TikTok videos, I'm just going to search for funny videos. Can you see that? And then click on the search TikTok. Okay, so it's going to bring tons and tons of videos. Can you see? You can see tons and tons of TikTok videos that you can use. So yeah, I'm just going to download one. Click on the download button. Okay, so I'm just going to click here and click the download button. As you can see, start downloading to your system. This is a short video. You can see this is 12 seconds videos, and trust me, this type of videos are going to make you dollars every single day online. So I've downloaded that, and the next thing is to go back to our app and click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, you need to click here to post your video. So the next thing is to upload the downloaded video. So I'm just going to drag and drop this one here. Can you see why it's uploading? So yeah, I can just say scary. Can you see, you just come up with a description and ensure that your keyword is there. So once you're done, the next thing is to select the thumbnail that you want to use. So I'm just going to select this. So the tags, these are what will ensure that your videos are easy for other people to get across or to actually search or locate them. So here I'm going to put Halloween, funny, scary, trailer, and all that. So once you're done, if you want to schedule your video, you can schedule your video here. If you want to upload directly, just click on the upload button. And once you click on the upload button, you can see you have 4 different options. So I'm just going to click here, video management. You see that? And then you click on the submit button. And that's all you need to do. Can you see? Submitted already. So as you can see, that's how to post and get paid using Post and Earn app, as you can see. So once the video is uploaded, then you need to go to this secret platform to check your earnings at all time, and also how to withdraw at all times. So also on this same, you can actually create your own videos yourself. As you can see, if you go to video creator, you can see this video creator allows you to create your own video yourself by turning images to slideshow, so you can make use of this as well. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just to select the photos, and once you're done selecting the photos, you click on create and it creates the video for you automatically. We also have the done for you videos here. As you can see, we have the thumbnail creator. In case you don't want to use the self-generated thumbnails, you want to create your own catchy thumbnails, you can make use of our thumbnails creator. Also, we also have the video downloader that allows you to download video. Okay, so you can see there's a thumbnail creator. You can create your thumbnails here using all these editing tools here. So also we have the video downloader, and this allows you to download video from other video platforms that you can edit and share on this secret platform to get paid anytime you post video. Thank you for watching. Bye.